Constellation uses a strength-based approach to mobilize communities to take action. Usually when people go out to the communities to mobilize them, they feel communities are marginalized, they are uneducated, they don't know, and so we have to tell them the solution. But here we go with the belief that you have strengths, I have strengths, and when people start realizing their own strengths, they want to take action. Why are we talking about them? Why shouldn't we encourage them to talk about their own? It's there. Whose story is it? Is it ours or is it theirs? And have a knowledge fair where communities, I mean the practitioners and researchers sit together and talk. I think it's very important that we learn from each other, and we learn from communities, and communities learn from each other, and that is why Constellation has set up an online platform. Like you have Facebook, we have a kind of Facebook for people who work with communities, and now we have about 2,000 plus members from all over the world. And of course, also we use face-to-face events. We facilitate global knowledge fairs where people from different communities come and share. So online and face-to-face sharing is very important.
When we have like-minded organization or organization who are struggling with mobilizing some communities, then we work with them and we propose our approach, and we have worked maybe with in 66 countries around the world, and on 95 partnerships, something like this. This is formal partnership, but we have informal also partnerships. I feel that we are all part of a community, and in somehow because even in Europe, Asia, or anywhere in the world, we are struggling with this being actor of our life is a new challenge, I think, and I'm happy to see that in Europe is many things that are moving on. But what I feel that the most important is working with education system, I think, because they are the adults of tomorrow, and then they are the decision maker of tomorrow. Then, if they are able to be actor of the education system, they learning, then they will grow as activists or mobilizator in their own community when they will grow up. Then, yeah, this is a big challenge for me, but it's not replacing all the challenges. One of the main I think important point that can get all the challenge that we can face in the future, and if we can start with small school, and then we will see. I think we can have a larger progress on community development.